Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You got that chrome accenting up front with the chrome bumper and your tow hooks right there. You got your halogen headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side, we do have our 18-inch rims with our Cooper brand tires. They look great, lots of tread left on them. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals. They are the tow mirrors, so you can lift them up just like that. You do also have your running boards along the bottom down there, and you do have a massive 8-foot box back here. You got your chrome bumper with the parking sensors, SLT badging, 4x4. You do also have your backup camera right there. Open it up just like this. Tons of room back here, looks great. And you do also have your box liner, so nothing will be getting wrecked. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button up there and our remote start down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. You do have those 2-tone seats, very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here you got the controls over your lights, so your auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as your fog lights and in-cabin light control there. And then up here you do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now you do also have how many kilometers we have, which is 18,000. That's pretty much nothing. You can switch that around as well to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You got your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. You have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, and your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord or Bluetooth. Phone options, your compass, settings, and more all there. Volume up and down with your mute. Screen off, back button, tuner and browser, and then down here you have your 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then in the climate control, you got the power up and down with the circulation. You got your hazard lights, your temperature control with your AC and where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. You also have your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, and you do also have your rear park sensors. Open that guy up. There's some storage in there, more storage down there. 3 cup holders here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You have your coin holders there, and your 2 USB plugins and an aux cord plug-in. Lift this guy up. Another seat under there. It seats 6 people altogether. You can also lift this guy. You got some storage underneath there. And right over here we got the top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Lots of room, looking great. And then you have the control over the little window in the back and some lights up here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front. Very spacious. You can fold this guy down right here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold these guys up, and you got some storage just underneath there. Or you can fold these down like this, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You can also just fold these guys up like this, and you got some storage underneath there. And there's our 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.